I grabbed this summer hat from Dollar Tree, just $1.25. I'm going to use some laces, ribbon, or flowers. I really don't know because the most important character here are the flower napkins, also from Dollar Tree. I want to use the decoupage technique to give it an elegant style. Stay with me to the end and comment how you will do yours to decorate or to wear it. So let's get started. Using a fine paintbrush with water, I'm going to trace the outlines of the design to easily tear them off. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe because I want to see you here again in my next video. Many blessings for you and your family. Bye.